Alright, well I am getting ready to test the KYK Generation 2 on the left against the Melody on the right. And I've got the water flowing at this point at the same rate. And I've already checked it, but just so you see, I'll go in and pour, and we'll see that they are pouring at the same rate. You can tell that it fills the glass. Alright, so KYK on the left and Melody on the right. And now I'm going to just go up to level 2 for each and continue to pour. Just give it a second. I personally feel that it's important to test all these levels just so people can kind of see what they are going to get at the various levels. KYK and Melody. Go up to next level. You know, a lot of times testers will focus only on that, you know, what the ionizer does at level 4. You don't even drink at that level. So I'm like, well, okay, that's fine, but let's see what you at least do at the drinking level. Alright, so I'm going to pour now at level 3. And just showing you that the water flow rate is staying consistent. And it will stay consistent throughout the testing now that I've got it set. Alright, and this is level 4 now. This is the strongest level for both machines. And I suppose you could slow down the water flow if you really, you know, wanted to get even stronger than this. But I'm just going to show you what it gets. And this is a 1.3 liter per minute flow rate according to the KYK screen there. So I'm pouring level 4. And if you were really looking for super duper strong, you would, you know, probably be able to slow it down to about a 1 liter or 0.9 liters per minute. Alright, I'm going to get the water, the acidic water now from the KYK first. I can only handle one of these at a time. I need 2 hands to do acidic water. And now the Melody. Okay, and now I'll just go ahead and turn these off, and we'll test them. Alright, we'll start with the KYK. I have to unstick my pH meter. The pH is a tough one. I have it, you know, soaking in such low acidic water that it is hard to, you know, unstick it from that. Looks like an 8.6 pH with a positive 84 ORP. On the left, that's the KYK. Alright, and then let's get it over here to the Melody and see what we got. And looks like a 9.0 pH. And keep in mind that my St. Louis tap water was 9.4 pH, so I don't know how this reduced it. Maybe just in filtering it or something. And a negative 330. And that's really great. That's actually very, very good to get that high negative at the low level. Now we're at the KYK, and it's Still a positive ORP there. 8.9 is the pH. Normally I've traditionally thought that KYK would be about equal to the melody, and I'm kind of surprised to see the melody doing so much better. But that's not too good for level 2. 8.9 with a positive 38. And then let's go over here to the melody. Wow, that's just really good results. I'm almost thinking as good as the results I get from the Athena. I'm pretty impressed. I don't know if they've done anything different to the design of the melody, but my past experience with melodies doesn't show it being quite this good. This is really good. 9.7 pH with like a negative 9.8 pH with like a negative 740, mid 740s, like 740, negative 745-ish, probably. I'm not going to belabor it forever, but it is a negative 745. Alright, so let's go over here to the KYK then. And,